One of the biggest questions: how to find a KDP niche. Although it's a very, very simple question, but it's not easy to do. So the answer will be very simple. There's many simple ways. You can call them easy to explain, but not many people are doing it right. So you have so many ways to do that. For example, you can go to Google, type for example hobbies, and you'll get a list of hobbies here. Many of hobbies that you have seen, you have heard. Some you don't know what does mean, but you will find so many. You can find anyone, type it on Amazon and see how it's going, how the results are there many of other competitors, or the competition is very low, and how is the sale. Do the publisher in this niche get many sales or not? Of course you can know that by seeing the rankings. So for example, let's type book. You can see you will get 80,000 results, and that's a lot. And the rankings, as you can see here, 2,144, 2,000, and so on. So the rankings are very good, but also on the other hand, the results are so many, and that means that there's a lot of competition. So we should find another one, a better niche that we have less competition. So what can we do? For example, one way is Google, find hobbies, jobs, activities, anything like that. Then another way is from Amazon itself. So type anything, for example, let's say activity book. Activity. You'll see that there is also a lot of results, 70,000 results, and that's so hell a lot. So just scroll down and see the titles. So for example, fun activity book for kids. For example, totally awesome mazes and puzzles. So we have one kind of activity book which is mazes and puzzles. So you find another niche here, as you can see, 2000 in ranking, which means that's very good, and it's one of the best sellers in children's book. So as you can see, you can type here maze book instead of activity book, maze book, from 70,000 results to only 8,000 results. So we have niche down so much, so we have less competition than the previous keyword. And then you scroll down again, amazing mazes, the mazes, as you can see, there's many themes. So dreaming, maze book, mazes, like the theme of space, and there is some seasonal niches like Halloween, like Christmas, and so on. For example, this like the jungle and the seafood, and so many. So as you can see, find any niche that you like, that you're interested in, that you feel that you can be creative on this niche. So for example, let's say, this one is for like scary theme. I like it, spooky mazes. Let's type it here. Spooky, the spooky maze book. So from 7,000 to 6,000, nice transition, not that good. And as you can see, I know that the rankings are not as low as expected. So 147, almost 300. So this one is this one 1,800,000. So as you can see, the competition went down, yes, but also with it, the sales went down. So it's easier in this niche to get ranked, but you will not get that much of sales even if you got ranked in the first page, for example. So try this method. I hope that you got it. It's like going in a general niche, as we started from activity book, then narrow down to maze book, for example, and then find another one, spooky maze book. You can find another one. For example, let's search for space maze book. So as you can see, we get only 405 results only, which means that it's so good. But for the sales, as you can see here, 2 million, which is not that good. Space maze. Here we get 2,000, which is very, very good. And here 203, which is nice. 324,000, not too bad. Here is 27,000, but this one is explore space, stars and planets activity and fact book for kids. Activity including experiments, diagrams, mazes, coloring, dot to dot, and more. Gold Star series. So this book combined all different types of book: activity book, diagrams, mazes, coloring book, dots to dots, and more. So he got everything in this book, and he's getting very well. 27,000 results. I'm really interested in this book, so let's see how it looks inside. So as you can see, he got this cover design, and this is the content. So it's like it's not what we are looking for, because it's like not low content books. I will say that it's medium content books. So we are not really interested in this one. So yeah, so as you can see, we get 400 results only, which is not which is very good, and the rankings are not bad. Yeah, I mean, if you got one of your books got this ranking, for example, 203,000, you will say, oh, that's too far rankings. No, 200,000. That means you are getting a couple of sales, maybe 5 to 10. I'm not sure, and you can check it from the calculator. Sales, type just Amazon sales calculator and type the rankings, and you will get how many sales, estimated sales. So yeah, it's not too bad. And the work you are doing for the research is very important to be associated with the type of book. So for example, if you are looking for example, let's say a notebook, it's hell easy to create. There is absolutely no effort to create a notebook, because it's only pages lined pages. Yeah, you can do them in a couple of minutes, or you can download them easily from anywhere for free. So there's no effort for creating the interior. So for example, for this type no content books, don't spend so many hours on finding a niche, because for example, you got 5 niches. Oh, which one will I do? This theme or this theme or this theme? Do all the 5 of them, because everyone will take from you maybe 10 minutes only. So yeah, so these are easy balls. Just throw them everywhere, these easy balls. And keep in mind that this easy, why I'm seeing laptops here? Notebook. Let's type journal. Maybe he will understand me. This Amazon will understand me more. So it's very easy to create, but also you will not get $10,000 from these books, probably, at least. So yeah. So if you want to raise the bar, move from no content book to low content book, like a logbook, for example. Logbook. So logbooks, maybe you will create one page and you will duplicate it 80 times. So it will take 30 minutes maybe to create a logbook. So it's not as easy as no content box, but you can find a better niches here. Like here, track logbook. You can find many logbooks associated with cars, with health, for example. Let's say here, so Amazon itself, you will get many suggestions here, and you can get inspired from these suggestions. So, and also you can download this tool here, which I explained it many times in my videos, and you will get a better suggestion like keywords before, keywords after, and others. So you can go, for example, exercise logbook, and it will be opened in a new Amazon tab, and it's better for me because you will get this tab still opened, and you will get this one independently. So fit logbook, workout logbook, and so on. So there are so many niches, and the results are getting less and less, lower and lower, and better. So this is a way of finding a niche. So doing all of that, I'm not sure how many people is still viewing to this point, because I don't know what I'm saying, but I just upload this video because I want to come back to this channel, and I will upload as normal as you used to in the past. So this is like I'm sorry video you used to get them. So yeah, thank you for watching. If there is anyone watching, type in the comment. I want to see if there is one person still watching to this point, because I think my channel is dying now. I don't care actually, because I know what I'm doing. And yeah, just be prepared for the next month, because you will see amazing content. This video is not from the amazing content, by the way. Thank you, and see you next time. Stop sharing. Or